Alright, I guess we're on Snow Piece 3. Today is Saturday, April 9th, 2011. And I'm making some trellises. He's got the weeds out mostly. Replanted a few spots. Then we got onions put in. Lettuce growing for head. A couple more of those and a little more for leaf. Peppers. And tomatoes. That's it so far. But the snow peas are doing good. The ones that came up. Replanted some to thicken them up in spots. So these look like they're just about ready to start climbing.